Our Shapes, Your Solution summarizes Veka's commitment to producing high-quality vinyl profiles and providing world-class support for our customers' individual needs.
Whether you're considering a new startup or simply adding another production line to your window operations, then you know the value of business systems and that they're essential to your success. Veka has been leading the fenestration industry for 40 years, producing quality lineals and pioneering integrated systems of material compounding, extrusion, engineering, and supply chain. Foresight, innovation, and dedication have created a team that consistently meets new challenges and elevates our industry to new standards. From the moment raw materials arrive at the plant to the time finished lineals are shipped to the customer, Veka's focus is on quality production, customer satisfaction, and environmental protection. We invite you to take a brief look and see how Veka can tie into your system of delivering the top quality window and door products your customers have come to expect.
Who could have imagined that a small German company operating out of a rented facility in 1967 would emerge as a global leader in the production of PVC extrusions to the window industry? That company, known as Vekaplast, produced roller shutters for a local customer base. Heinrich Laumann, an original employee, purchased the company from the founding partners. He recognized the enormous potential for PVC fenestration products and positioned the company for future success. With careful planning, Veka released its first vinyl window system in 1971. By 1974, the company expanded the product line to 15 systems, including sliding doors. Veka enjoyed continued growth, and in 1977, Phase 1 of a revolutionary compounding and extrusion plant was built in Sendenhorst, Germany. By the end of the decade, demand began to level off. Searching for new markets, Veka began building plants across Europe. By 1983, Veka established a presence in the United States in a rented facility north of Pittsburgh. In 1986, ground was broken for a 165,000 square foot compounding and extrusion facility, which was expanded in 1992, and again in 1994, bringing the total to 600,000 square feet under roof. 1995, Veka built its most efficient plant to date in Reno, Nevada, designed to serve western portions of the United States and Canada. Ushering in the new century, Veka expanded its U.S. product line to include vinyl fence, deck, and rail extrusions. In 2001, Veka West added to its capacity another 116,000 square feet. The following year, Veka Canada was established in Edmonton, and Veka South opened outside of Dallas in 2006. Years of international experience in over 50 countries on 4 continents have helped Veka overcome many challenges. Its global achievements and dedication to product performance and customer satisfaction has secured Veka's path to success, now and into the future.
As you have just seen, Veka's worldwide network is a tribute to the popularity and acceptance of high-quality vinyl products. An aggressive plan to be the principal force in all major window and door markets around the world has created an impressive record of accomplishments. The demands of individual markets differ from region to region, and Veka has met those demands through a combination of design flexibility, superior material formulations, and high production standards. Now let's take a closer look at the production systems we have put into place to address the needs of your market.
To make the finest vinyl products, you must begin with the finest materials. PVC makes up the bulk of the compound used to produce Veka profiles, but raw PVC lacks the properties needed to withstand the effects of fabrication and environmental weathering. Therefore, precise amounts of micro-ingredients are blended into the mixture. These performance additives are blended into the PVC by computer-controlled scales accurate to within 1/100th of a pound. Blending mixers controlled by time and temperature maintain the compound's consistency, as any variation will affect the end product's final performance. Next, this compound batch is sent to the extrusion floor by automated hopper cars. These cars feed each extruder located on the production floor immediately below, with an uninterrupted supply of vinyl compound. Next, the gravity-fed extruders accept this continuous compound supply, and twin screws within the barrel plasticize the compound and control the melt to the die head. Controllers for each extruder set and maintain heat within the barrel zone and die zone. Once the hot lineal exits the die system, it moves into a water-cooled calibrator, where the profile surface is consistently cooled in order to retain its shape. Next, the finished lineals are cut to specified length, and exact quantities are stacked in protective shrink-wrap steel shipping racks, then bar-coded and sent to the warehouse.
The final product of any manufacturing operation is only as good as its raw materials and processing methods. This is why Veka's compound is inspected. Processes are constantly monitored, and shipments are verified for quality and consistency. Our stringent 3-tier quality control ensures that every lineal that leaves the extrusion floor meets Veka's strict in-house standards.
Our staff chemists randomly sample material before it enters the blenders. Compound batches are spot-checked to guarantee proper blending. Rigorous controls ensure that raw ingredients meet performance standards. Further quality tests are conducted during extrusion. Go gauges at the end of each line are an effective way to check the difficult-to-measure inner profile cavities. Optical comparators are used to check profile dimensions against preset design tolerances. Profile inspection is performed using a 3-tier quality system, monitoring critical, major, and minor dimensional quality, focusing on the critical few. These methods result in a lineal that is easy to fabricate and consistent in shape, color, and integrity. Combining market need with current extrusion technology, Veka Engineering works with customers to design systems to meet specific market demands. Detailed dimensional drawings of a Veka shelf system or proprietary designs are refined to satisfy sales and production requirements. Computer-based stereolithographic samples are made from the 3D drawings. These prototypes verify aesthetics and ensure that the lineal will properly perform throughout the fabrication process. Veka has produced a multitude of systems to fit any product offering. Whether it is a new construction or replacement window, patio doors, specialty windows, commercially rated systems, or vinyl fence, deck, and rail, all are part of the Veka product line. Product designs created by engineering in the CAD system are downloaded to wire EDM and automated milling machines that create the necessary extrusion dies. Production histories and statistical process controls ensure maximum efficiency, minimum downtime, and the highest quality. This in-house tooling capability allows Veka to quickly react to customer and market demands. It takes more than machines to drive a company. It takes skilled technicians to maintain and operate this technology. Few companies can match the level of experience employed at Veka, and fewer companies have the history to prove it.